Okay, knives, really quickly. You either want one like this, or like this. This is a classical chef knife, and this is a more Asian style one, but they both serve about the same purpose. You can either have one or the other, but I recommend having one. I actually have, if you see, two of those because I like them. I like to separate my meats and my veggies. I don't like to use the same knife for them, cross-contamination, all that good junk. They both have their cons, they both have their pros, but they're both good. You also want something like this. This is a bread knife. You use it for, well, bread or tomatoes or anything that really needs a grip. I also recommend having a smaller one. That's just a small serrated knife. I only really use it for tomatoes. But if you have a steak knife, you should use this fine. I like to use this one, which is much like this one, except shorter, for chopping small things. And you also will probably need one of these. This is for, well, specifically for honing your blades. You're not sharpening, you're just straightening out the edge. Now, the reason why you don't want to serrate for this or this or this, it just rips up your food. Not very good. There's a reason why most cutting tools in engineering and manufacturing is a straight edge opposed to toothed edge. Now, you want to get one wooden cutting board for vegetables, and you also want a plastic one for meats. You don't want to use a wooden one for meats because then the meat gets soaked in and bacteria just loves that. Well, that goes for your knives. This, very handy. You could use a pot, but if you're doing a fillet or something, this is much easier, much wider, square. You can leave it on, adjust temperature here. You don't even have to be in your kitchen. You can take this outside. Secondly, you need a pot about yay big. Either stainless steel or cast iron works very well. Aluminum loses heat too much. A pot of about the same, and that's all you really need. Also, maybe a couple of graters like this, and with that you have your entire kitchen ago. Now, I also have a salad spinner, but that's because I'm lazy.